staying strong, healthy, and youthful. By subscribing, liking, and ringing, you can greatly support our channel and help us produce more content that you'll love. Hello and welcome to the Longevity Lifestyle YouTube channel. 7 reasons to include hummus in your diet for longevity. Hummus, a popular Middle Eastern dip made from chickpeas, tahini, olive oil, lemon juice, and garlic, has gained popularity in recent years due to its delicious taste and health benefits. It has become a staple food in many households around the world, and for good reason. In this video, we will explore 7 reasons why you should include hummus in your diet for longevity. Reason 1. High in nutrients. Hummus is a nutrient-dense food that is packed with vitamins and minerals. Chickpeas, the main ingredient in hummus, are an excellent source of plant-based protein, fiber, iron, and folate. Tahini, another key ingredient in hummus, is rich in healthy fats and is an excellent source of calcium. Olive oil, which is used to make hummus, is a heart-healthy fat that is high in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. These nutrients help to support overall health and longevity. Reason 2. Supports heart health. Hummus is a heart-healthy food that can help to reduce the risk of heart disease. The high fiber content in hummus can help to lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. The healthy fats in hummus, such as those found in olive oil and tahini, can also help to reduce inflammation and improve blood flow, which can help to support heart health. Reason 3. May help with weight management. Hummus is a low-calorie food that can help to promote weight management. The fiber in hummus can help to keep you feeling full, which can reduce the likelihood of overeating. Additionally, the protein in chickpeas can help to regulate appetite and promote feelings of fullness. Eating hummus as part of a healthy diet can help to support weight management goals. Reason 4. Supports digestive health. Hummus is a great food for digestive health. The fiber in hummus can help to promote regularity and prevent constipation. Additionally, the healthy fats in hummus can help to lubricate the digestive system and support the absorption of nutrients. The garlic in hummus can also help to promote the growth of healthy gut bacteria, which can further support digestive health. Reason 5. Anti-inflammatory properties. Hummus has anti-inflammatory properties that can help to reduce inflammation in the body. The healthy fats in hummus, such as those found in olive oil and tahini, can help to reduce inflammation and improve overall health. Additionally, the garlic in hummus contains compounds that have been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties. Reason 6. Boosts energy levels. Hummus is a great food for boosting energy levels. The complex carbohydrates in chickpeas provide a slow and steady source of energy, which can help to keep you feeling energized throughout the day. The healthy fats in hummus can also help to provide sustained energy, without the crash that comes from consuming sugary or processed foods. Reason 7. Easy to prepare and versatile. Hummus is an easy-to-prepare food that is also incredibly versatile. It can be used as a dip for vegetables or pita bread, spread on sandwiches, or used as a sauce for salads or grain bowls. Additionally, hummus can be flavored in many different ways, such as with roasted red peppers or sun-dried tomatoes, making it a delicious and versatile addition to any meal. Conclusion. Hummus is a delicious and nutrient-dense food that can provide many health benefits. It is a great addition to any diet, especially for those looking to support overall health and longevity. So next time you're looking for a tasty and healthy snack, consider reaching for some hummus and veggies or try using it as a spread on your sandwich or wrap. Thank you for watching and we hope this video has been informative and helpful. I recommend that you watch all the videos I upload from the beginning to gain a comprehensive understanding of the topics covered. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos on health and wellness. See you in the next one.